Good morning, class. So, are you all excited about your grammar lesson today? Yes, I am Paramita Mukherjee. Today, we will be discussing about direct and indirect speech. Yes? Okay. So, now, class, before we start, I had sent you a short note, okay, about our previous session. So, did you all go through it? All right. Okay, great. I just wanted to check that. All right. So today we are going to learn about direct and indirect speech. And by the end of today's lesson, you all will be able to identify the difference between direct and indirect speech. And you'll also be able to change simple direct speech sentences into indirect speech without errors. Okay. So now I will be projecting few sentences. Okay. Please take a look. All right. Now look at the sentence, which is already projected on the whiteboard. All right. I'm very excited about the trip, said Ria. So now, who is speaking here? Who is the speaker? Yes, Rohan. Correct. Ria is speaking. All right. And what exactly did Ria say? Yes, Rohan. Correct. Yes, it is in inverted comma. And the exact words are, I'm very excited about the trip. All right. So now, imagine that you want to tell your friend what Ria said. All right. So, would you repeat her exact words or would you explain the meaning? Okay, so that's a big question. So, that brings us to today's topic. All right. First, we'll understand what is direct speech. So, now when we report the exact words of a speaker, we use direct speech. Like, for example, just now we discussed. So, what is a direct speech here? What did Ria said exactly? Yes, I'm very excited about the trip. All right. And when we report the meaning of what the speaker said without using the exact words, we use indirect speech. For example, the same sentence I will convert. Ria said that she was very excited about the trip. All right. Is it clear, class? Till now? Correct. Okay. Excellent. Now, there are certain rules. You cannot just randomly change from direct to indirect or indirect to direct. So, the first rule is, rule number one is tense changes. So, in indirect speech, the tense often changes, as we saw in this previous sentence also. Now, what are the tense changes? Generally, am is changes to was, are changes to were, have, has changes to had, will changes to would, and can changes to could. I'll give you a quick example. Anita said, comma, open inverted comma, I am tired. Full stop, close inverted comma. So if you change this to indirect speech, what will this become? What will this become? Yes. Anita said that she was tired. So we have added a that to it. Okay. Now, next, the pronoun changes. All right. So the pronoun will change according to the speaker. So I will become he, she. My will become his or her. We will become they. For example, Rohan said, comma, open inverted comma, I am hungry. Full stop, close inverted comma. So in indirect speech, it will become Rohan said that he was hungry. Okay. So clear with rule number one and rule number two, tense change and pronoun changes. All right. Then we'll move on to the time expression changes. So when you change from direct to indirect, today will become that day, tomorrow will become next day. Yesterday will become the previous day. Now will become then. For example, they said, comma, open inverted comma, we will visit Delhi tomorrow. Full stop. Close inverted comma. In indirect speech, what will this become? They said, yes, yes. They said that they would visit Delhi. Tomorrow will become the next day. All right. Excellent class. All right. So now let's practice together quickly. Look at this sentence I have projected. Okay. Ravi said, comma, open inverted comma. I can solve this problem. Full stop, close inverted comma. So can anyone change it into indirect speech quickly? Yes, Joy. Ravi said that I will become he. Yes. He can become could. Yes. So Ravi said that he could solve. This becomes that. Yes. That problem. So Ravi said that he could solve that problem. Let's quickly try another one. Okay. Mother said, comma, open inverted comma, we are leaving now. Full stop, close inverted comma. So in indirect speech, what will this become? Anyone raise your hands? Yes, Sumant. Mother said, yes, you'll add that. Yes. Mother said that we will become they. Yes. Mother said that they are becomes were. Yes. Mother said that they were leaving. Now becomes then. Okay. So mother said that they were leaving then. Excellent, woman. I'm proud of you. Very good. All right. So now think about this sentence. Tina said, comma, open inverted comma, I have completed my homework. Full stop, close inverted comma. Take a second, take a few seconds and try it yourself. Okay? Yes, class, together. Correct. Tina said that she had completed her homework. Excellent. Good work. Great job, class. All right. So now again, Rohan said, comma, open inverted comma, I will call you tomorrow. Full stop, close inverted comma. Yes, class, together. Correct. Rohan said that he would call me the next day. Wonderful. Okay, another one, quickly. Priya said, comma, open inverted comma, I am reading a novel. Full stop, close inverted comma. Yes, class, together. Correct. Priya said that she was reading a novel. Excellent, excellent class. Wonderful. Good job. All right. So now quickly recap. Let's do a quick recap. So today what did we learn? We learned the difference between direct and indirect speech. Okay, number one. Number two, how tenses change. Number three, how pronouns change. Number four, how time expression changes. All right. So before we complete the class, I'm sharing the link in your WhatsApp group. You please complete the Kahoot quiz and exit ticket before you leave the class. So thank you everyone for your participation. Take care till we meet for the next class. Thank you. Good day.